This is solution number 3. Our equation was 2 cosine of 3x minus 1 equals negative 2. So we're going to start by adding 1 to both sides. And that would give us 2 cosine 3x equals negative 1. And then dividing by 2 would give us cosine of 3x equals negative 1/2. So remember that when we have a multiple angle formula or a multiple in front of our angle, coefficient in front of our variable, we don't want to divide that away right now. We want to find our angles first, and then we want to divide that away. So we're looking for angles where the cosine is negative 1/2. So that would be a pi over 3 reference angle in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. So 3x would equal 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi n, or 4 pi over 3 plus 2 pi n. But this didn't ask us for the general solution. It asked us for the solutions from 0 to 2 pi. Remember, that means that 0 can be an answer, but 2 pi cannot. It's not included in the interval. So we're not going to leave these as general solutions, but we always want to get the general solution first with a multiple angle equation. So this would give us 2 pi over 9 plus 2 pi n over 3 and 4 pi over 9 plus 2 pi n over 3. So now we can start to plug in n equals 0, n equals 1, so on and so forth. So for this solution, when n equals 0, we get x equals 2 pi over 9. When n equals 1, we're basically going to add 2 pi over 3 to that, but in terms of ninths, that's 6 pi over 9. So that would give us 8 pi over 9. When n is equal to 2, we'd add another 6 pi over 9 to that, so that would give us 14 pi over 9. And if we went higher than that, it would be too big, right? Another 6 pi over 9 would bring us to 20 pi over 9, which is larger than 2 pi. So those are the only 3 solutions for that side. Now we can come over here and do the same thing. So we're going to plug in n equals 0, and that would give us 4 pi over 9. So this is always our first solution on both sides, right? 2 pi over 9 was our first solution, 4 pi over 9 was our first solution when n is 0. Then we're going to add 6 pi over 9 to that when n is equal to 1. So that would give us 10 pi over 9. When n is 2, we'll add another 6 pi over 9, and that would give us 16 pi over 9. And if we went higher than that, it would be out of the interval. So these 3 values are the 6 solutions to this equation.